Good morning, children. I am Pooja Pareva. With me, Sanjay Bharadwaj. Today, we will study Class 9th, Subject English, Textbook, Beehive, Prose. Lesson 4. A truly beautiful mind. Part 2. Dear children, in part 1st, we knew that this lesson is about Albert Einstein. We knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we will do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Word meanings. Children, in this question, we will learn the meaning of these English words in Hindi. Truly, वास्तव में, beautiful, सुंदर, mind, दिमाग, talk, बात करना, interest, रुचि. Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we will choose a correct answer and write it in the bracket. Where was Einstein born? Correct answer is German city of Ulm. So we will write B in the bracket. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did Einstein call his desk drawer? Answer. Einstein called his desk drawer at the Patent Office, the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. This was because the drawer was where he used to store his secretly developed ideas. Question number 2. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin D. Roosevelt? Answer. Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt to warn about bomb effect and also wanted to encourage them to make a bomb to utilize its destruction potential. So children, now we have completed the question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework yourself. Okay? Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. Children, in this question, you will write the meaning of these Hindi words in English. For example, dimag. In English, we will write M-I-N-D, mind. In the same way, you will write the meaning of these Hindi words in English yourself. Okay? Question number 2. Choose the correct alternative. Albert Einstein was born on dash 1879. Choose the correct answer and write it in this bracket. Question number 3. Answer the following question. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.